The idiom "the best of both worlds" means enjoying benefits of two different things combined. This happens when you get advantages from two opposite situations at the same time without losing anything. It describes a perfect balance where both options work together for you. The best of both worlds is a common English idiom. People use it to describe ideal situations. It shows up often in everyday conversations about work, home, and life choices. This idiom means getting benefits from two different situations at the same time. You enjoy advantages of contrasting options without compromise. For example, having city job opportunities plus countryside peace gives you both benefits together. She works in the city but lives in the countryside. The best of both worlds. This means she gets city career chances during workdays. At home, she enjoys countryside quiet and fresh air. Perfect combination of busy work and peaceful living. Working from home gives you the best of both worlds. Job benefits plus family time. You keep your professional work advantages. At the same time, you stay close to family every day. No need to choose between career success and home life. My cousin gets the best of both worlds: student freedom plus professor privileges. Use this idiom when someone enjoys contrasting benefits simultaneously. It shows a win-win situation with no sacrifices needed.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.